Laptop. Laptop is something like similar to mobile phone. If you learn the mobile phone, how to use the mobile phone, is similarly laptop is functional. You have to do your documents, your calculations, your office work. Even you have something internet to use. You can browse internet, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, web, and number of things. And laptop have number of advantage. You can have your battery timing as long run for your work, for your whatever you like to watch the movies too. And laptop had advantage that you can connect with the people what you want to say. And it's something like web camera is also there, mic there, and number of things. You can create your own videos and connect with a number of things. And laptop is all about that. It is a part of computer nowadays. It's another laptop. So you can avail laptop, PC, mobile phone, whether it's connect with the internet or non-internet. Keep learning and adopt something new. Let's move to the next video. Thank you.